CSS Impact Dashboards and Analytics. CSS Impact Analytics. All of our analytics are real-time and dynamic. Having information at your fingertips is king. Let me show you how CSS Impact Analytics works. Right now we're looking at the company statistics. We're going to be looking at income by company, and as you can see, every time I hover on any one of these charts, it'll give you the total income and the company. You can pivot this by month and year, and it'll rebuild right on the fly for you. Right here, you're going to see the top 10 placing clients and the top 10 revenue generating clients. Right here, you're going to see all the referrals per company, and right here you can see the commissions by company by year. As you can see, as I move the year lever, it rebuilds the stats on the fly. You can hover on every month and get the total fees for that month. Furthermore, you can extract this data easily into an Excel format so you can perform further analyses. Next, we have our client statistics, which provides you unit yield by client information, as well as the top 10 or X unit yielding clients or the bottom 10 yielding clients, as well as KPIs for tracking above and below goals. Right here you can see the rolling year referrals and collections. In red you can see the count, the fees are in green, the referrals are in orange. We can look at this department. A department in our system is a grouping of desks, and you can see the inventory and the recoveries by department. This seems to be quite low. So we can drill into it. Now we can look at the desk that's not performing and then take a look at the pain points. It looks like there was some high referrals right here with low fees. Let me dig into it and open up a section of the database that'll tell me the story. As you can see, we can look at the referral dates, all the account numbers, all the referred amounts, as well as the collected amount for this desk. As I hover over the spreadsheet-like output, I can tell that there was no recoveries except for this $626 recovery and $16.01 recovery on 1/20 of 2010. Anything that I highlight, it highlights by referral date range. I can also modify that by entering the starting and ending referral date range. Everything within Impact is tracked to the account level. Right now we're looking at the profit and loss statistics. Right here you can see month-to-date income, month-to-date total cost, and month-to-date net recoveries or net income. All of this is pivotable by year and month and company. As you can see, everything gets rebuilt right in front of your eyes. We keep track of all labor costs, letter costs, and activity costs. Activity costs can include skip cost, credit bureau costs, merchant costs, any cost that's attributable to the account. Hence, giving us the opportunity to provide you a very clean ROI, right down to the account level. That gives you an opportunity to see which clients are profitable and which ones are costing you money. I've mentioned before that our analytics are dynamic, real-time. What that means is that to any chart, you can set up an alert. At any point, you can configure an alert so that it'll tell you if a specific client is costing you money or not, or if a particular client is meeting above or below goals. Simply add an alert. You just give it a name, a description, and a message to display severity level and an action. Right here you can set up your rules. The rules enable you to access any data element within that chart and keep on adding and adding and adding until you feel comfortable. Then you can schedule it so that it audits that data by month, by day of the month, by hours, or by minute. It's like having multiple admins printing out reports minute by minute, reading those reports, analyzing them, and alerting you from any exceptions. With these types of tools, you can have full control over your company. You can monitor your client's performance. For example, this dashboard monitors clients that have placed within the last 60 days but have not placed within the last 30. This is an indication that the client is about to depart. This is a revenue alert monitor. Clients that have not placed within the last 90 days but have placed within the last year. This requires immediate revenue replacement action. We have month-to-date sales statistics, top 5 client placement increase trends, and top 5 client placement decrease trends as well. With our sophisticated dashboard, you can highlight different states and see inventory by state, fully color-coded and dynamic. We also carry adaptive metrics for month-to-date activity types, scoring, and status migration, as well as cost analysis and counts by category. We also carry a historical bankruptcy, employment, and divorce metric. This dashboard is our operations production statistics dashboard. This enables us to see in real time without a dialer, but we can capture the data from the dialer if you happen to have one as well, as to all the RPCs, Here we see a rolling 7-day RPC output, and as you notice, as I highlight on every single day, the corresponding incoming and outgoing days get highlighted. The same goes for our RPCs by users. As you notice, when I highlight on the different names, on the right hand side the incoming and outgoing calls get highlighted. This is our collector performance dashboard. It gives us income information, dispositions, accumulative collector performance reports, daily and monthly goals, as well as a calendar and a collector performance chart. Within the accumulative collector performance dashboard, we can tell what the current month, last month, and previous month collected is. If you want to get granular for management, management can have this dashboard. You can simply choose the collector and it rebuilds the stats in real time. Right here you have the accumulative collector performance report that tells you all of the financial information by day, current month collected, last month collected, and previous month collected. And on the left hand side, the corresponding day is highlighted both at a accumulative and non-accumulative performance stat. If you want to take a look at a spreadsheet like stat, and it's fully defined by collection day, current month, last month, and previous month. Everything is color coded. Yellow meaning zero balance, green means money came in, and red means that there was an NSF or a posting correction. We also have branch and department statistics, everything defined by collector desk accounts by status, department accounts by status, client account status, client account by status, department expense summary, and client accounts by status class as well. You can hover on any one of these dashboards and it'll give you full detail metrics on each dashboard. We also have a collector performance statistics dashboard that you can display on your collection floor that'll give you information about the top 10 collections today, the top 10 post-dated checks for next month, the top 10 accounts worked and dialed, also the daily department averages by department. Down here is a rolling ticker of anybody that collected above a specific amount. And up here you can see all received payments by trust in real time. We also have account stratification dashboards as well as account distribution dashboards. Everything is clickable and mineable. As you can see, CSS Impact has a full suite of dashboards and analytics to help your business grow and keep the edge over the competition. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and if you have any further questions, feel free to contact us or reach us at cssimpact.com. Thank you.